What's up, everyone? I've been taking a few days to redesign the nose cone and try and get not a different design, but the inside of it, half of it was infill and the other half was hollow. And so now I've gone with a complete, don't mind that bed. I had to adjust on the fly with my little wheels. But, so I'm printing a second nose cone that should be a little lighter weight, not by much though. And I also picked up another tube, another 4-inch, and I tested out this. This is my hole alignment for the tube to fit to the fin kit. As you can see, this one, I kind of had to do some somewhat educated guesswork on where the holes were. So that's why this has extra holes. But this eliminates that, because all you gotta do is it has about a 1 1/4 millimeter, I think, but it'll pop on just like that, and then you can drill your holes wherever you like it to be. Other than that, still waiting on the parachute to be in stock. It actually sold out, so I gotta wait on that. Other than keeping the printer dialed in, nothing too big has happened. I had to actually relocate the filament sensor. It was almost impossible for me to get my spool PLA to go through this as well. I don't know why it just started doing that. Other prints were fine, but I looked on the inside and it was a little gunked up, so, but I put a piece in there, should hold it for now. This is only a 1-day, 7-hour print. Nose cones usually don't take as long as the fin cans. Did have a slight scare. The temperature was going from 205 all the way to 191, and it was jumping radically, and I thought, oh, it's gonna need a PID tune probably, but it didn't fail on the heat up this time, and I inspected the whole hot end, and there's nothing loose, nothing corroded or broke. So here's hoping that once it gets past the small supports right here, that should be all cleaned up. It's just, even with the bed leveling, it's off by that much for a perfect first layer, so I'll have to I mean, I could do it in here, but what I'm not sure of is when you click adjust, look, you can only do it by 1.60 millimeter increments. That would be a lot, because I only usually do it by 0.2, 0.3 millimeters. I'm also running it a little bit slower, so that way I can get a good adhesion. But yeah, so far everything's going good. September is still the designated month that I'm going to shoot for my level 1. And hopefully I'll have everything by, I definitely will. I'm just hoping the weather and whatnot works out. So until the next update,